I cranked up my computer, opened up Movie Maker, threw up about 15 of those videos, gave them transitions, and made a movie. I was delighted. When I went to play back my movie, I got all the visuals that I wanted along with the audio. So then I went back to audio, fade in to medium, and fade out to medium, because the camera, like the microphone, makes a funny sound when it turns on and turns off. Sometimes a fast fade is good, and sometimes it's slow. I put the Voopeak back out with a different video setting, more facing the blue pool, to see if the raccoon actually went and fished for frogs. You see, my other field camera on the porch caught it washing its front paws in the kitty's water bowl. The next morning, I found duckweed in the dirt. I have found that editing these videos, even without seeing it on the preview screen, is just as fun and easy as it is with my new Sony videos, which makes me a happy camper.